So now let us see how you can create a link by using Dropbox so that you can share your files with anyone. So to do that, what you can do is you can go on to your Dropbox folder and then select the file you want to create the link for, and then right click on it and then choose copy Dropbox link. That's it. So now you can paste this anywhere, like an email address or instant messaging, and then share the link with the other person. So now what the other person will be able to do is they'll be able to access your files by entering the link and just by going onto the browser. The link only lets them view the file and it does not let them edit the file over here. So you can see that now all the data are seen right over here, just like this. And this is what they will see from their end. So that is one way to create a link. You can also do the same by going on to the Dropbox app by right clicking on this, and over here you have an option copy link, and that's it. It's similar just like that. Another way to copy or work with the link settings is by right clicking on this and by going on to share. So once you go on to share, over here you can type in the email address, which we did in previous lesson, or over here on the bottom you can see that the copy link feature is here. So if you were to click on this, the link will pop up right over here as well. But here you can also go to link settings. But to have all of these settings, you need to have a professional account. So if you have a Dropbox professional account, then you can have the link access to anyone or certain people right over there. You can also set expiration, so you can expire out the link after a certain time, and you can also disable downloads right over here, and you can also like disable comments and so forth right over here. So these type of settings are there. Over here is the file settings. So viewer info can be turned on or off right over here as well. So you can see like who is viewing your file. This is always handy to have right over there. But if you want to maintain privacy, you can just turn this off. Usually I like to turn this on and press save. So you can work around with the link settings right over here, just like this as well. So similarly, you have the link settings in your web login as well. The process is same. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.